Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Zelle account. Follow these steps to enable this feature quickly. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the gear icon or the menu option, usually located in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Find security settings. Look for the security settings section within the account settings. This is where you can manage your authentication options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your password or verify your identity. Step 5. Choose your 2FA method. Decide how you want to receive your authentication codes, either via SMS or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once you have completed these steps, your Zelle account will be more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive your codes without issues.